So we're here at Petaling, which is Chinatown in Kuala Lumpur, and we're just going to suss out down here all the street markets and see what sort of prices they got and see what sort of things they've got. Right, there's a lot of shoe shops. Let's have a look what's around. Clothes, singlets, what sort of prices they got on singlets. Got all the fake watches. Wow, heaps of watches. There's another watch shop and another watch shop. Right, got all the Kuala Lumpur t-shirts here. They're 8 ringgit each, which is about $5. Pretty good value. Right, we'll move on and see what else they got. 39 ringgit.
Sort of Bangkok.
240. Go Bob. No photo. Oh, bong shop. Socks, 10 ringgit. 3 pairs for 10 ringgit. It's pretty cheap. About $4 for 3 pairs. These small bags here, you can fit on hand luggage. 75 ringgit. It's about $25. It's a pretty good price. So I just got 2 pairs of socks for 10 ringgit, which is about $4. Really cheap.
This one 10 ringgit.
Oh, thick. The balance.
Outside only here for 5 ringgit. Inside 10 ringgit.
Okay. Too thick.
It's a blue ringgit, okay? That's it?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Well, that's a good price. You haven't got plastic or anything, have you? Right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Alright, so that's pretty good. About $4 for 6 pairs of socks. Bloody great deal. You can smell food and it smells good. So, huh?
Chestnut.
Chestnuts. Yeah.
Like the one in Bangkok.
Nice bite. That's one big Ducati 1200cc. So we've got the chestnuts roasting. Rambutan. Yeah.
Smell pickle.
It's pretty busy in here, little motorbikes and trucks and stuff zapping around. Sunnies, Polaroids. Buying one t-shirt, really?
Apa? I'll buy you the one in Sungai Wang Plaza. They're better quality and same price.
This basically got a lot of the same stuff, just bags, shoes, sunglasses. Hello.
Good discount, sir. Good offer.
And there's trackies, really? See how much trackies are. And there's pens, look. Nice pen sets. Undies, look out. Nice 3 bullets, so I don't need undies. We got some socks. That was about the best deal in here, I think. Otherwise it's basically all the same thing everywhere. Watches, bracelets, shirts, bags and shoes. And that's about it. Some t-shirts. Thai t-shirts, right? Abbey Road t-shirts. Kapalua to Maha.
Mason?
These are like the Thai t-shirts. This one's even got a nose ring in it. Pretty cool. 70 ringgit. That's like $25 a t-shirt. Wow, expensive as anything. These markets should be cheap, and they've just turned into tourist rip-off price markets. So that's about it for the Chinatown market. Some more sunnies, more t-shirts. Here's trackies, look. Nice trackies there.
All the hand selling.
No price on them. It's the trouble, they don't put the price on them so they can bargain with you. And that's about it. So we'll go out of this Jalan Petaling and onto the rest of Chinatown, just have a look around out on the streets. Might be cheaper out here. Check out the size of this building. My God, it's huge. Apparently it's the second biggest building in the Southern Hemisphere. It's absolutely massive. This is like jerky, pig jerky. It's all pig. Looks good, but bacon. Bacon jerky, yum. It's all the beach hats. My wife collects beach hats. She must have about 1,000 of them. It's all chips and coffee and candy and all sorts of snack foods, dried foods, almond milk chocolate, dark chocolate. 18 ringgit, look at that. I love dark chocolate. Tiramisu, almond and milk chocolates. Yuli, here's the chocolates here on the other side. So Yuli got some almond milk chocolate, tiramisu flavoured, 18 ringgit. So this is all the spices that you put in soups, like ginseng soup, octopus lotus root spare rib soup, ginseng and pork rib soup. This is for dried Pacific clams nourishing soup. This is shark fin bone flour soup. That's all the herbs that you put in to make your soup, give it the flavour. It's chocolate and almond chocolate and different stuff. About 20 bucks. Good stuff. Okay, so that's about it. We're at the end. So we're going to head to, where is it?
Sungai Wang Plaza.
Sungai Wang Plaza, where apparently that's where the real cheap stuff is. So go and check out that.